Kayak car rental pricing explained what you get for your money. Kayak is known for finding flight deals, but most people get this wrong when it comes to car rentals. They assume it's just a search engine with average rates. The surprising truth is that Kayak aggregates multiple rental companies, often highlighting discounts and bundle deals that can save money. Rental prices vary widely based on location, vehicle type, and rental duration. Compact cars start around per day, while subs or luxury vehicles may range from daily. You won't believe how convenient it is. Kayak shows options for insurance, mileage policies, and pickup locations all in one place, making comparisons simple. Most people get this wrong by focusing solely on the daily rate. They overlook optional add-ons like collision coverage, additional drivers, and GPS. Evaluating these costs alongside base rates ensures you get the best total value. In conclusion, Kayak car rental pricing is competitive and transparent. By analyzing location, vehicle type, insurance, and add-ons, you go from zero to pro in securing the ideal rental for your needs while maximizing value and convenience.